Huda here. Today in this video I will gonna show you how to create multiple classes using Eclipse. So guys, you just need to follow me and watch this tutorial with full concentration. So to understand the working of creating multiple classes and access them in main function or main class, here take an example. First open Eclipse. So guys, here in this program I will just find the area of rectangle using two classes. So first click on file, new, and then Java project here. So guys, type your project name. I will enter rectangle volume. I'll use rectangle volume here. So guys, just click on next button and finish button. So you can see that our project name is successfully created rectangle volume. So just click on project and then right click on source file and here new and then class. So guys, here just put the class name here. So I will just enter rectangle, and in this class I'm not using a void main function. So here I am not click on this text box. So guys, just click on finish button. So I've also created a new class. Just right click on your source file and then make a class. So here I will just write class name rectangle demo, and then in this class I want to use a main function here. So just click on this text box and then finish button. So guys, you can see that we have two classes here, rectangle.java and rectangle-demo.java. So basically in this class I will just create function, and then in rectangle demo class I will just call the rectangle function in rectangle demo class by creating an object. So guys, here I will just use for function, creating function. This class is basically used for creating function. So guys, here I will just make a function void set data, and then here body of the function starts and close. So guys, you can see that area of rectangle is equal to length multiplied by width. So length and width must be declared before its use. So I will declare as int and length and width. So guys, terminate this. So guys, come into the function and assign value. Length is equal to, let's say, 30, and width is equal to, let's say, 15 here. So guys, just terminate this and make a new function, and here type your function name void area. So guys, here just body of the function start and close. So int area and terminate this. So you know that area is equal to length multiplied by width. So area is equal to length multiplied by width. So I just terminate this. Now I want to show area on the screen. So use system.out.print and then use variable name. So I will use area because after multiplying value must be assigned to area variable here. So I will use area here. So guys, just save this program, save this rectangle.java class, and now come into rectangle-demo.java. So I want to access these functions set data and area in rectangle-demo class. So I will just create an object of rectangle class. So here come into the main function, and here I will just use or call function function of rectangle class. So guys, here just create an object of rectangle class because we want to calling the function of rectangle class. So object must be created of rectangle class. So rectangle ob is equal to new and then rectangle class name. And so guys, here just terminate this, and now I want to call these functions. So I will use ob.setData and ob.area in main function. So guys, here just call ob.setData and then terminate this, and now ob.area and then terminate this. You can see that the same name must be typed setData, and now you can see that I have typed setData using object. So here you can see that area function. So I will call with an object area. So guys, just save this class also, and now click on run button, and now you can see that 450 it's an answer of rectangle area. So guys, now understand the working of this program. So first of all, control move into the main function. As you know that I have created main function in rectangle demo class. So guys, here it reads the first statement, that is basically comment. So it reads the first statement, rectangle ob is equal to new rectangle. So guys, it's basically create an object of rectangle class. So guys, here you can see that the rectangle constructor is automatically called. So control move into the next statement, and it shows that ob.setData. So it's basically called the setData function of rectangle class using object. So control move into the setData function here of rectangle class. So guys, here it basically initialize the value length is equal to 30 and width is equal to 15, and control moves again toward where it's called. So guys, here it read the next statement ob.area. So guys, again control move to the area function of rectangle class using object. So guys, here it declare variable int area and then multiply length multiply by width, that is equal to 30 multiply by 15. So initial, so it's basically assign the value to area. So guys, using system.out.print, basically area of value of area is print on the screen. So guys, here I hope this small video will really help you. If you like the video, then click on like button, subscribe button and share button. If you have any query, then comments below. I will see you guys in the next video. Allah Hafiz.